Okay, I snatched my wig off before I did the intro and outro, so we're gonna have to put her back on. I mean, it's still kind of a look. Okay, maybe not. Anyways, okay. I always think I look spooky with this wig on, but people like it, so. Who? I have to check it, hang on. Oh no, she's atrocious. As under the rules of Shane, we never speak of a wig without giving it the she identity. You can call your wig a he, but this one sure is a she. I don't know, it's kind of messed up, but I don't, as long as it's good for pictures, I really don't care. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get on my knee. Today's video, I did an inspired look all by Shane Dawson's intro to his conspiracy series that is coming soon. I did the eyeball, which for the picture I did edit the text in because I wanted that knocking noise has just started ever since I did this whole conspiracy look, and I think bad things are starting to happen. I'm scared. So I have the eyeball and I edited the text in for the picture because I wanted it to be like the exact replica text, and I wouldn't have been able to do it with my fingers, so I was just like, you know what, I want to edit it and I want that to be perfect. This is the hands from the video that were like against the glass. This is the Area 51, and then I did a lot of wilderness down here because that was in the Area 51 picture with the fence. And then I did the black and white face because the guy that was talking through the whole intro, I'm pretty sure was the guy that he showed a little clip of, and it was in black and white, so I thought that would be cool to have half my face in black and white, then the other one regular color. That's what I did today. Everyone in the world does, but I really am such a huge fan of Shane, and if he ever saw this, I would cry. I would really projectile vomit. If that ever happens, I'll let you know when it's happening. The vomiting, we're gonna stop. Yeah, I hope that he ever gets to see this. He's super inspiring, and clearly I did a whole piece on him and his work. So anyways, that would be crazy if he ever saw this. That'd be cool. Anyways, if you would like to know how I created this entire look, then keep on watching. Hi, we're starting. So I should get into my Shane mode. Hang on. Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes! Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Wait, does he say yes? Hey, what's up, you guys?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
When has Shane ever done this?
He shoots some lasers out of his fingers. I think he has some cool like artwork in the intro actually of his video, and I was inspired. We're gonna start. I don't even know how this is going to go. We will sister see, and I have some of the reference pictures that I want to use. I'm just gonna take a white eyeliner pencil. What? My mac and cheese is ready. But when I come back, we're going to start sketching out where I want the placement of everything to be. My heater was on for my talking earlier, so sorry about it, but I'm not redoing it. Wow, that is cold. Ooh, I think I'm just gonna use my cream paint because I can't find my pencil. Bum, 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 bum. So I think I want the eye right smacker dabber in the middle. So we're gonna go down a little bit. I'm gonna take this on a pretty precise pencil brush. I started Friends because I couldn't stop watching The Office, but I needed to, so. Come on, kitty. You're like a burnt Cheeto.
Wanna see? Look at
Much more burnt version of Cheeto. Say hi. Hi. I'm Kitty. I don't have a real name.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Bye.
My boyfriend named the cat, so it's not my fault she has a dumb name. I took her when she was like 4 or 5, so not my fault. Just a ruffle sketch. But I think I'm gonna start making new things like here because it doesn't go all the way to the end of the eye. Do you know what I mean? So that's like my line of like stoppage right there. Hopefully he sees this and reposts it because that would be incredible. I need these hands to go somewhere. Area 51. There's one hair that won't leave me alone. So it looks like not much now, but surely it will be. I think I'm just gonna paint the eyeball white first of all. Since white doesn't stay opaque, I'm gonna have to do a couple layers of this, so I will be right back when this is pretty much opaque. So now we're gonna do the eyeball right in the center. It's actually very big, actually covering most of the eye, so I didn't opaquely cover the middle with white because it's going to be black anyways. Okay, now that we have a big old pupil, I'm going to take a brown shade from the James Charles palette, a cool brown shade, and just shade right at the top of the eyeball to start creating some type of shadow up there. Now I'm going to take an angle brush and go really close to the line and just make a black line. Around this side it's really shaded. Going with a little bit of a lighter shade that's still cool. Lighter brown shade, still cool, but cool as in a cool brown, not cool like cool cucumber cool. Like a cool cucumber, not like that. Like a cool brown is what it looks like. I think I'm just gonna dust this brown all over this side of the eye and then just deepen outsides with a darker brown. I can't reach that brush. Okay. Now I'm taking a black and kind of smudging out the pupil so it's not such a cartoonish harsh line. Now I'm going to take the black paint again and I'm going to make the lashes.
Now making the light that shines in the middle of the eye going into the pupil that will be the highlight for the text in the center of the eye. Now taking a blue shade and dusting that over the white cream paint to give it the blue glow that was in the picture. It definitely wasn't white, but it was kind of like a fluorescent glowing blue.
Alright, I'm gonna make some glares because the eye has a little bit of glare in its eye with some white paint. So definitely need a little bottom lash line too. Little bottom lash line action. And then go under that concealer with another brown shadow. And then it doesn't show the bottom lashes, but I'm just gonna do them anyways. Oh yeah, eyeball, done. Okay, let's start doing the hands. Ooh, I need a makeup wipe. So I think I'm gonna make this bigger than it is over here. How big is this? I need something bigger. I think this would be good, right? That didn't work out. I spent all of my days. Oh no! Okay, now I'm gonna just go straight down. Was that straight? I don't know. No, it's not straight because my boob is taking it with it. Sorry for not being PG and saying boob, but it's a little bit different when you're drawing on your own body. Now that I have this window, I'm going to take my trusty shading brush to get close to the edges, and I'm going to take this gray shade from the Huda Beauty Textured Eyeshadow Palette and shade right next to the opening of the window. I'm shading over the white on the outside because I just looked at it and it's actually very gray. Let's fill in the center with white. I'm gonna zoom you in for this part just because it's a little hard to see from that far away. So I'm gonna take a white paint and I'm just going to be highlighting a very, very, very small line in the center of the brown line. Okay, now I'm going to make the hands, and this part is going to be hard. Hardy har. I'm going to take just an eyeliner brush like I've been using honestly almost the whole time. And I think I'm going to take a brown shade. Okay, now we're going to move over to area 51. Don't really know how to start this one other than kind of just, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of just taking some black paint and just dotting around with black paint to kind of make a start to a grounding. I still have to figure out some type of background to bring this all together. Do you know what I mean? And hopefully it kind of creates some like bushes or whatever. Kind of looks like a mustache underneath the eyeball right now. Now I'm just going to make my standard spooky trees because I need something on the bottom that seems normal. And I just don't know if all the dots are doing it for me, so I need something more. Now we're going to do the Area 51 sign. Comment down below which Shane series was your favorite. I think mine was, I don't know, when they went to Houston. Was that when they went to Texas? That one was so funny to me on the plane ride. I can watch that over and over again. That part was so funny when he took Xanax and he gave Andrew a sign, was like, do you want some? Made me cry. I was literally crying. I was laughing so hard. And then Garrett is just me. I'm always that friend in the friend group that like, I'm not dumb, but like I'm very odd, and that's the kind of humor that I have with people. That's why I make people laugh, because I'm just an odd person. I really relate to Garrett. I don't know. I think it's so funny. I'm gonna grab this silver to start doing the fence. I have another black green paint that's way better. Where is it? Right here. Found her. It's Cinema Secrets. Okay, remember we have to write this backwards. Alrighty. Really have to shade this fence because it's looking very 2D. And I'm just gonna take a black eyeshadow, honestly, and shade right under pretty much every opening. I'm actually gonna put this fence along the edge of that to kind of make everything come together in like a line, you know what I mean? Since you already saw me do that, I will be right back. Now that I have my Shane series, I'm going to, I guess, make my chest dark blue, right? Do you think that's a good color? I think so. Because I don't think I'm gonna do the abduction thing, because a lot of times when I do things on my neck, I have to lift my head up like this, and it's not kind of cute. So, and it just gets kind of missed out on because it's on my neck, so it kind of bends like this. So whatever I do, sometimes it looks good and sometimes it doesn't, so I just think I'm gonna skip out on it. And now I'm going to paint the sky blue. It was gonna be black, but it's gonna be too much black, so I'm gonna do it dark blue. I'm pretty much out of my matte dark blue, so I'm just gonna use my shimmery one. I don't think it really comes out that much different than the normal blue anyways. I was just thinking, what colors make blue? But then I was like, it's a primary color, so we're effed. It's just patchy. Patcheraski. It is the same color. The other one's just a little bolder, a little funner, and that's not what we want, so we're gonna probably end up shading it after. Can you tell I just started watching Friends? Probably not, because I'm gonna cut all the parts out of me singing it, because it's gonna get repetitively annoying. I'll be there for you. Your job's a joke, you're broke. I'll be there for you. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Dan, you know what's weird? Why does my face break out in pimples from this paint, but my chest doesn't? This smells like perfume. Why do you smell like perfume? It's a little shiny. Why? Ugh. Look at this little like rat in the center of my chest. That was supposed to be the person getting abducted. It's a cool blue. It's like monochromatic.
Guarantee you I did not use that word in the right text. Let's look it up. Of course not.
Okay, I'm gonna finish my chest and make it not patchy. and then I'll be right back. I did the blue and I've shaded a line of black above the stuff I drew. I'm going to take this black cream eyeshadow again and just go around the sides of my body, you know, to make me look slim. That's the trick. Paint the sides of your body every day and you just look slim. And then look at how bold my shoulder looks. It's like bam, bam, bam. I also highlighted my collarbones, if you couldn't tell. Sorry for the crickly crackling of my upstairs floor. Okay, and then I'm actually going to can't hear me. Hang on. I'm actually going to contour my collarbones. Bam, 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 bam. Did I drop it? Bam, bam. Oh, that was like bars. So like stick out your collarbones like that. And flex your neck. Bing, bing. Looking good on time. I've only been about 3 hours, close to 4 actually, maybe like 3.5. Now I'm going to highlight. Alrighty, and we're back up here now. So I think the last thing we're gonna do is I'm just going to make this side of my face black and white, because in the intro he has this old man that is in black and white that's constantly talking through the whole thing. So I think I'm just gonna make this side of my face black and white, kind of like mysteriously conspiracy. Yes, I think I'm gonna do it with water activated paint. Here she is. So I have foundation on already.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Someone's trying to get out.
Ooh.
These hands.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That's cray-cray, Lore. Don't put that stuff in your ears.
Okay, now that my face is half white, I'm going to take my black cream paint and just start blending the black into the white, like you're shading me in. This makeup look is bonkers. Do 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 ba da ba da ba da ba ba ba. I feel like I look like a mime. All right, now I'm going to take a liquid liner and line my lips with it. When the rain starts to pour. And now I'm just taking a light concealer and going right next to the black line, sharpening up that edge. And I think that this is the finished look. Shane Dawson conspiracy theory inspired look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe to me and to Shane. My 700 subscribers can give him anything, I'm sure. It'll be a subscribe if they already don't, but I'm sure they already do. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We're gonna snatch my... It's stuck. It got stuck. She is queen. I don't think I have anything more to say except I just snatched my wig, just like Shane always snatches mine with his beautiful content. I love you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!